Hello viewers and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today I am sharing an excellent recipe of southern Tamil Nadu, that is Tirunelveli and Karaikal side famous recipe Mutton Takkadi, which is very popular in southern Tamil Nadu, especially in Muslims houses. It's a very special recipe which has an excellent flavors and taste in it. Let's make it quickly. For that, you have to prepare mutton gravy first, which is a special mutton gravy. So let's prepare it. For 1 kg of takkadi, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of refined oil. Add some garam masala including bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Add 4 medium-sized chopped onions to it. I am sharing the recipe of 1 kg of mutton takkadi today. Let's add some salt immediately. The salt helps the onion to turn brown quickly. Now the onions have turned brown. At this point, let's add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's saute it until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Let's add half a kg of mutton. For 1 kg of takkadi, half a kg of mutton will be enough. If you want more, you can add. After adding the mutton, you have to saute it along with the masala. Adding mint and coriander leaves now. Adding 3 to 4 green chillies as well. Saute it along with the mutton. Adding 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder, and adding 3 tablespoons of special takkadi masala. This takkadi masala is a combination of coriander, zeera, fennel seeds, black whole pepper and garam masala. The exact proportions of making this masala I have given in the description box. Now add 3 medium chopped tomatoes. Add little more salt if required and saute the tomatoes well until they turn soft. Now the masalas are well cooked and it's oozing the oil out. At this point, let's add around 2 to 3 glasses of water and cook the mutton for 4 whistles. By the time our mutton is cooking, let's prepare our dough for takkadi. Adding 1 kg of coarsely grinded rice flour. If you don't find it, you can use a normal rice flour also. Adding 1 finely chopped onion to it. Adding some coriander leaves and finely chopped green chilies, 2 to 3. Adding 3 tablespoons of coarsely grinded coconut or ready-made coconut powder also you can use instead of it. Let's mix it well with the help of fingers. Let's check our mutton now. 4 whistles are over. Let's open and check it. It's very well cooked. Let's give a mix. We are going to add some amount of this gravy to our rice flour to make the dough for takkadi. We have to add the hot gravy to the rice flour mixture. Little by little we have to add using a spatula and mix it well until it comes to a dough consistency from which we can easily make balls. Little by little you have to add and mix it so that you can see whether it is consistent. If you want, you can add little hot water also instead of adding only the gravy. But its actual recipe is preparing the dough with mutton gravy only because it gives an awesome and excellent taste to the mutton takkadi. Now it has reached to a perfect consistency. As you can see, we can easily make balls out of it now. Let's keep the gravy on the stove again. Let's add half a coconut milk to it and add 6 to 7 glasses of water and keep it in high flame to cook. When it's cooking, we have to add the balls one by one. Immediately after adding the balls, you should not disturb it for around 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can use a spatula to give a mix. Adding some more mint leaves and coriander leaves finally. Now, after 3 minutes, I am using a spatula to it to check. You can see it's almost 30 to 40% cooked now. Let's cook it for 15 to 20 minutes more in low flame. And that's all, the end of the process now. After 20 minutes, it will be perfectly ready to serve. Now our excellent, amazing mutton takkadi is ready to be served now. You will just go crazy with the extraordinary flavors of this delicious recipe. Very easily, you can make it at home and enjoy with your family. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in my next video soon. Thank you so much for watching.